1692 means we got shots fired. 4:15 ASF.
And my camera's on, so I'm videotaping myself.
I'm going to turn my back on now that I'm done peeing.
Yeah, I did the same thing. Yeah. I already peed once with it on today.
Yeah.
And I was like,
I left my zipper down.
So I'm sitting there going, and I'm like, beep, beep. I just go, yeah. And then I was like, hope y'all enjoy the show.
There.
Clear the fucking.
Oh, yeah. What do you want?
I need something solid, but like, oh, here we go. This is what I'm looking for. So grab like,
Oh, I'm taking this. This helps you with hangovers. Okay. Not that I'm hungover, but it's good.
Okay, I'm just.
You want something to eat? There's candies and shit. What do you want, man?
Like, this is the kind of thing.
Holy.
I need sugar. So check this out. So that's where he was shooting from that end, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's my car down there. Right there on the boulevard.
Mine is directly on the other side of the marquee.
Okay.
So we're here, and all of a sudden the rounds just start flying our direction.
Yeah.
And we hear. It sounded like he was using a bump stock, though. That wasn't nearly fast enough for full auto.
Yeah, that's where we were down at Green.